everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. If you're new to my channel, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I make an art video out of supplies you have in your house. Very common things. You don't have to go buy anything special. And so for today's project, we're going to be making a pop-up ocean card or something you can put on the table as a little ornament. And all you're going to need is some paper and some glue or tape or anything to affix that to the other paper. So, oh, scissors as well, but I guess you could rip it. So, let's go get started. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper in half, and then we're going to fold over just a little edge. This doesn't have to be an exact amount, but just a little bit. So I did about a 1/2 inch. And now we're going to take a marker or a pencil and we're going to draw our wavy lines. And we want our wavy lines to be about 1/2 inch apart, and we want to stop them before we hit this folded line. So we're going to draw a wavy line. And we can do these wavy lines identical, or they can change up. I'm going to keep them pretty similar spaced apart. And I'm doing this with a blue piece of paper, but if you have a white piece of paper, that's fine, or you could color your white piece of paper blue. And that line is probably too close to the bottom, so I might not cut that one. So now we're going to go ahead and cut out on our wavy lines. This is great control, great practice. We're taking our time. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you don't cut it perfectly on the lines, that's okay. We're gonna go all the way from our folded edge. Key to remember, this is your folded edge, this is your open edge. And we're gonna cut all the way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and we're going to have one go each way. So we're going to pull one towards us, and we're going to push one away. So we're going to be making a box. So it'll go every other, away from us, towards us, away from us, towards us. So we're going to crease it the other way now. Away from us, towards us. And we're going to fold it back to us. Away from us, towards us. Away from us, towards us. So now, here we have this, and we can even bend right here on each side, so that way those want to come towards us. We can go ahead and bend all of those so our card will want to pop up. There we go. Now it's wanting to pop up. Now we can set this aside, and we're going to draw our fish and our whale, whatever we want to be on our ocean. So I'm using some scrap that I have around, and I'm going to make it out of this. Remember, if you only have white paper, go ahead and color it. We could take our marker and color it first. Like if I want some like seaweed looking plants, but I don't have green paper, I can just go ahead and color a section green. I could play with my colors, I could layer my colors, but I don't have to be careful because I know I just want a section that's green. Once I have that, I could take and draw out whatever kind of plant or floral elements I want on my floor of my ocean. So maybe I do some like squiggly lines. Now I can cut those out. Maybe I use this blue to make some fish. This is some scrap I had from our bird kite. So I can go ahead, and those are almost like fish already. So let's go ahead and draw some fish. So I can keep them kind of simple. Some eyes, some fins. We can even do some bubbles. It almost looks like a face. And now we're going to go ahead and cut out any of the shapes, the creatures that we made. Now we're going to go ahead and glue our fish and everything on. We could also color these in, and remember, you can put them behind as well as on top. So I'm going to start with my floral elements, and I'm going to put some of them behind. Remember, a dab of glue goes a long way. So I'm putting some behind, some on top. I'm really layering them. Layering means behind and forward, all over in our ocean scene. So there, I have the start of my seaweed. Now I can start putting my fish. Remember, some fish can be in front, some can be behind. I'm gonna put that one there so it kind of looks like it's behind that seaweed. And we can fill up this scene as much as we want, putting them wherever. If you have stickers, you could add stickers to this. That would be fun. Giving some little bubbles by my fish. And there we go. We have a pop-up card. We could fill it with even more. We could write a little message on here, and it can even stand up. So I hope you had fun today making your pop-up ocean card, and let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it, what you'd like to do in the future, another pop-up idea. Let me know. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and always subscribe so you get notified. Bye.